So Ninja Man officially, Ninja and Bunty officially say them now got Sting. You know what that mean? Who know what that mean? A bag of things I want to sing this year and it not look so good. So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions on this story, please keep on watching your girl. So other day on Facebook Live, Ninja Man said that he won't be going to Sting because when he look on certain things, he faced too much disrespect and he was the one that put Sting, he might want to make Sting basically. He might want to make Sting what it is right now in dancehall music. One of the greatest shows in a dancehall right now. And he said he won't be going to Sting because enough disrespect in face and enough things go on behind the scenes that you guys don't know about. So
Sting nah go on. Sting not gonna happen. You hear that? No, my friend, me I tell you.
Let's get straight into it. Bunty even say him not gonna Sting neither. On stage, live, on air, the man say him not going to Sting. And
waiting on Sting. Sting is struggling. They're going to honor people like you, icons and so on. They're struggling to make a Sting 2016, it appears. Your take?
Well, it's a nice thing to be honored when it's genuine and sincere, so.
So you don't have no problem with the honor?
Well, me know them now sincerely honor me. It's because the show look like it in a little spot. I guess they want to say they're honoring somebody, but me, they don't honor me. Remember, Sting promoters said, I'm like Trevor Berbick and another such artist is like Mike Tyson.
And if he need to get honor, he wants it to be sincere. And God knows, me feel sorry for him because if he wants to take Sting internationally, it's not a good look for him for what he go on this year. It's not a good look at all. Ninja Man say a few things in the Facebook Live video that I have to point out. Ninja Man said, ever since he stopped working with Lang and Sting, they sell him in jail and they want him to become Papa. And he also pointed out in that video that when Vybz Kartel said that he will not be performing at Sting until them pay him the money when him owe him, they also made sure Vybz Kartel got locked up, and they were a big reason as to why he got locked up.
Because everybody when I decide to do Mr. Lang show and if you work with Mr. Lang thing, him have film system when push him down in a prison or send him in a jail. I see him with Cartel did that work with him and they never stop fight till the man they are jail. Mr. Lang will do anything in his power to tear down an artist who don't want to work with him. So people, you can look out for anything in my case because the only part thing they want to plan my case could have done long time, but you don't want to have me the way they want to have me.
And Ninja Man, you say a lot of things in that Facebook Live video, man. You need to watch your back because a lot of people don't know. They feel like they believe in the glitz and the glamour and they don't know what happens behind the scenes. So let me break it down for you guys. When you're doing a stage show like Sting, so for example, Ninja won 50 grand to do the stage show. So then I go say, alright Ninja, you want 50, me I'll give you 50. I'm gonna give you 25 up front and then 25 after you finish this performance, the show basically. So you get 25 up front. When you come off a stage, a hell and powder house, you get the next 25. Okay? Hell and powder house, and that's why Vybz Kartel stopped doing Sting. And that's why Vybz Kartel stopped going to Sting and performing at Sting, because they owed him so much money. And Ninja made it clear in the Facebook Live video that's what happened to a lot of dancehall artists, and that's why they don't want to go to Sting this year. So enough things happen behind the scenes that we as dancehall music consumers or fans or supporters don't know that happened, and enough things they have to face and put up with because they love their fans and they need to make money, they need food, they need to feed them kids and them family. And they go through enough things and we don't know about it. We just want them at a specific show at a specific time because we will spend money and go. But in all honesty and all fairness, if I was in Ninja Man's position or Bounty position, I definitely would not go, because Ninja Man also said in the Facebook Live video that Leng set up things to happen, like people get kicked off a stage, Bounty Killer get beat up, and all these things. So they set up this thing in the media, like pull publicity stunts when Sting happens, so people would anticipate going to Sting the next year, so Sting can sell off the next year. Because when people get kicked off a stage and the cross, angry, miserable man get japed up and beat up and sitting behind stage, everybody else say, oh my God, me need to go Sting next year then to see what really they want to Sting. If I did my things I want, me can't see. Because you know how dancehall music fans and supporters, we like the mix up, we like the bagarara, we like the controversy, basically. So, with all that being said, the way how Sting they look right now, as to a Bounty set on stage, Bounty set Sting upon life support.
This year presentation damaged the show. Okay. And this year sounds like it's gonna be worse. So maybe next year Sting is lying in a hearse.
I don't want to see that, but
no, but I'm saying if they continue to do that, I'm playing under straight and raw, and I'm pretty up.
Clear enough. We appreciate that.
They're on life support. And if them do it like what them are planning to do, the plug are gonna pull next year.
And I couldn't agree more. The thing now go happen, it's now go work, it now go sell off. We in December. We still don't know who the performance Sting. We still don't know the date. Sting don't even have sponsorships. They don't even have sponsorship for the show. So a bag of things that happen. I mean, I think they look so good for Sting this year. I feel that Sting will flop this year. And you heard it here first. Me not hold me mouth and talk. Me feel like Sting will flop this year, because if you're honor people and you're not honor people like Bounty and Ninja Man, then you're not doing Sting any justice. Because of them, the Monday put Sting on a pedestal and them make Sting basically. And them makes Ninja Man kill Shabba, in kill Merciless. The amount of people when Ninja Man kill on Sting stage, okay? And him make Sting what it is today. So if then the man not gonna Sting, he not look good, he not gonna look proper. So anything Leng have to doing better do it. And another thing, Leng want these artists to perform for. You want them to perform for what? It's like a person going to a gas station and say, okay, me need some gas, and me just pump some gas, and I'm gonna pay no money, but me still don't get a full tank of gas. Where does that happen ever? First of all, these artists have a whole team that them have them makeup artists, them hairdresser, them designer, who dress them, who do them music, them hype man, they have them family and pitney and Fifi, like do a show like Sting for free. For what? Okay, me not. Yeah, really? For free? People have to eat food too after Sting. People have picnic for send to school after Sting January morning at Jamaica. So, do I show like Sting for free? Me I don't want to hear about. I want to take dancehall artists for. It not go work. And I need to fix up and actually figure out what more do as far as Sting is concerned. Ninja Man and Bounty say them nah go. The Angel even say she nah go too. So, me know say Sting they get a fight. And me feel like Lang and Heavy D that's associated with Sting needs to do some rebranding and fix up and set up certain things and get on a personal level with artists that have such a big issue with them, because Ninja Man and Bounty and only could eat that boy and only could young youth in a dancehall, them are general, legendary. So that's my whole thoughts and opinions on the story. Sting or flop out this year, God knows. And that's all I have to say. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here. Deuce.